everyone. Today I will be showing you how to connect Spotify to Discord. First, you make sure that you're logged into your account. Now scroll down to the very bottom and look for the setting icon, which is this one. Click this and it will take you to user settings. Under user settings, kindly click connections. And as you can see here, these are the accounts that you can connect to your profile. We have PayPal, Reddit, Steam, TikTok, Twitter, and any others. When you click this arrow here, you can see that there are many social media platforms that you can add to your Discord. We have Instagram, YouTube, and any others. But since our tutorial is all about Spotify, so I need to click Spotify icon. It will take you to another link where you need to sign up with your email address and your password. So here it says successfully connected your Spotify account to Discord. So all you have to do is to go back to your Discord to make sure your Spotify account is connected to your Discord. So you can exit this application, go to Discord again. Okay, so all you have to do is to go back and see here that one of the connections of your Discord is Spotify. So if you want to display profile, you can just click this one. And if not, you can just swipe to the left to turn it off. How easy, that's how you connect Spotify to Discord. So if you find this video informative, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.